The first thing that came off was the front end here.
So when you say the front end came off,
he pretty much ripped it off.
This year at the Off-Road Expo, we're hosting live episodes. Morgan, Darren Parsons, Blake, myself, Black Hat, we're all going to be doing live episodes in the demo area. Also, we're going to have over 100 pre-runners there. We're taking over 2 buildings. Dude, it's the Terra Expo. You guys use the code Terra Crew to save. If you guys are going, you guys save a couple bucks on your tickets. Thanks for tuning in. What's up, guys? We're at the Owen compound in San Jacinto, California. And the Owen family loves and appreciates Baja bugs, as you guys can tell. You guys have been asking for some Baja bug content, and we're here to deliver, dude. And the Owen family is going to do that just for you guys. We met Kaden in Glamis. He kind of stood out amongst the crowd with the Baja bug. But it wasn't just that. It was the style of driving, the aggressive style of driving. Dude, I don't even know how to explain it. That thing was a spaceship over there, man, just floating and just eating everything. There was full-blown race trucks going through that same section, and I think Kaden had a couple miles per hour advantage over some of them in that section. But I'll cut to one of those clips right now. You guys could appreciate that. So now you guys know who we're talking about. We're gonna check it out. Check out that beast that they built, the thing that they have fortified and made strong. We're with his brother Brendan over here, and he's gonna tell us about this thing. Thank you guys for coming out. Appreciate you guys.
All the bugs live right here.
So are you guys from out here, or are you guys? How long have you guys been out here?
Our whole life. Lived here our whole life. This is my great grandpa built this house.
Wow, that's beautiful, man. Yep. Are you guys familiar with some of these trails? I mean, look at this scenery, dude. You got this beautiful hill, beautiful mountain right here. That you guys were saying there's like a river down there, like a stream?
the riverbed's down there. We go ripping in the riverbed. All of our videos are pretty much shot right here on the side of the garage. There's a trail right here with a little jump on it. The jump used to be a little bit bigger, but it's kind of blown out now.
So tell us about this thing.
This car, we bought it as it was kind of a Baja bug. It was kind of a little bit less built than the gray one right there. He just ran it how it was, and we were just going to run it how it was, and it was good enough. And then he started driving how he drives now. The first thing that came off was the front end here. And
so when you say the front end came off?
North Glamis, he ripped it off, and we had to limp it home. So we fixed it one time, and then it just kept cracking other places. And then that's when we chopped it off and did the A-arms. This was a beam front end. This was a beam front end with just some 3x3s in the back to start with. And then it turned into this.
So whose front end is this?
This is our custom. We built it with our friend Max at F2 Development. I first built a first bug. I sold that bug because we put the A-arm front end on this one. Just changed my whole sight on how bugs can ride and everything like that. So I sold that one. We built this front end, and it, as everyone's seen, it works.
Yeah, it does, man. So you guys engineered this with your buddy?
Yep.
That's so wild.
Yeah.
How old are you guys?
I'm 22, and he's 20. This thing was only in the shop for, like 8 months for the front end. The back end actually went a lot faster because we didn't have to build it. We bought it kind of like that.
You bought a back half?
We bought a back half, yep.
Got it.
Just the A-arms. Because even this thing right here, it's got the nice beam setup, but the A-arm still rides so much better than it.
So take us through this front end, man. Tell us what you guys did.
So it's a 1.5-inch spindle off of a 10 car. Our uncle races 10 cars. The spindles, we bought the spindles off of our uncle, the shocks, and then everything else we pretty much custom made.
I love the simplicity, but like how incredibly strong it is. And how's the steering on this? What do you guys got going on this for steering?
It's a 2.5 Howe rack.
2.5 Howe rack.
Yep.
How's that holding up with your madness, bro?
Oh, great. They're for like trophy trucks and stuff, so it way overkill for this thing.
Yeah. So that's why you whip that thing, dude.
Yeah.
You just turn it everywhere you want, dude.
It's a 2.5.
It's a 2.5 bypass 2-inch coilover.
Okay.
Fully custom icon.
Oh, right on.
They
Okay.
built them custom for his 10 car when he was racing it.
That is so awesome. And so have you guys done any tuning with these?
A little bit of tuning to the front, yeah.
That's wild.
We haven't
That's
tuned
awesome.
it fully because we're gonna when we widen the front end, we're gonna widen it like an inch, 2 inches on each side.
Okay.
So it matches the back because right now it doesn't match the back fully.
Okay.
So we're gonna widen it 2 inches on each side, and then we'll really get into the shock tuning.
What's the wheel travel look like on the front of this thing?
It's currently strapped at 15.
Yeah.
Travel.
15 inches?
Yeah.
Okay.
We put 15 degrees of Pro Dive in the front.
Tell me
Which-
what Pro Dive is. I have no idea what that is.
15 degrees up. Instead of the A-arms going straight up, it makes the A-arms go kind of back. So when you're running the whoops, the A-arms are kind of working with the whoops instead of binding up. It has its different ways, but it works.
It works.
Yeah.
And it works incredible. You guys
Yep.
did an amazing job with that.
So we're running the Pro-Am hubs and brakes. We have 35 BFGs on it right now.
Okay.
And the Method, we have the 15-inch Method wheels on it. We run 15 by 5s for the dirt tires, 15 by 5 for the front on our paddles, and 15 by 7 on the rears for the paddles.
Where do you guys like to take this thing?
Pretty much Glamis.
Yeah.
Glamis.
Like to
Glamis
rip it up in
is
Glamis.
Kaden's stomping ground.
Yeah.
That's where you will see him shred.
Yep. The only thing that we've had wrong is the front brake caliper has gone bad one time, and we just rebuilt it, and it's been pretty good after that.
Wear and tear.
Yeah.
Wear and tear. It just
exactly.
happens. Things happen.
So the rear end.
That's not a VW motor.
No. So it's a 3.2 Honda in it, and we've got a 5-speed Weddle transmission in it,
Okay.
and we've got some pretty big CVs on it. These are the 934 CVs, and some big old axles. So when he's running the whoops, we don't have any CV problems or any axle problems. Honestly, we've never fully cycled the rear, but we've never really cycled the rear since we've got it on.
How about you guys guess how much wheel travel this thing has? If you guys get it right, maybe we'll have the boys measure it.
I have
send you guys some gear.
I have an around number, I think, what it is, but I'm not sure exactly what it is.
Don't say it yet. Don't say it yet. So you guys guess. Put it in the comments how much wheel travel you guys think. Winner gets first comment that gets it right. Well, we'll send you guys some gear. All right?
Perfect.
Cool.
This is a back half that we bought.
Oh, that's right.
This was the back half we bought. So the pillar back, we bought it off of Dennis Peterson. Pinhead Fab had made it. Dennis Peterson actually crashes the front of his car, but the rear end was still straight. So we bought the rear end off of him. From the pillar back is all Pinhead Fab.
That's wild,
And
man.
Kaden was driving it after we did the A-arms, and Kaden ripped the whole torsion housing out of the car.
Kaden, come on, bro. Okay, it wasn't.
Yeah,
it's not a class 1 just yet, my friend. All right.
So the torsion housing now is all full custom torsion housing, has nothing to do with the VW anymore.
Wow. It's pretty much just a beefy race car
Yeah,
back here.
exactly.
I mean, that's what it takes to hold this guy down. You know. All right. Okay.
It's a 3.2 Type S Acura motor,
Okay.
and it runs pretty good for what it is. Someday
yeah.
we'll turbo it, but not yet. We've got a pretty cool exhaust system on it, and it sounds pretty good.
Love that. Who made these headers, man?
The same guy that helped us build the front end, Max.
Max, dude. Max is.
He's got some talent.
Yeah, he does.
Oh
man.
yeah. He mostly does like lower trucks and stuff like that. So, but he's our buddy, so he helps us out whenever we need some.
Max, is Max out here?
Yeah, he's over in Winchester.
Right on. All right, Max, keep it up, bro. Let's see what else you could do for the off-road guys out here.
Yeah.
Huh? There it is.
Something
dude.
cool about this bug too. If you do this, the window comes out.
Oh, really?
So we could put our coolers and everything back there, and the window comes out. You just put it up like this and run it.
That's awesome, man. I've never seen that before.
Yeah.
That's super cool. I think we got to chill, okay? All right, Dad, we got to chill. Can we, yeah, not yet. You know, these boys are doing some really cool things out here. I was saying, like, them learning how to drive with what they have is amazing. You know, and the progress and the gradual build is where it's at, man. When you're doing that, you're going to become such a better driver. We were just talking about that off camera right now, you know? So enjoy the process, guys. And if that's where you decide to stay.
So the interior.
Look at this, dude. I'm liking all of this. Very
Looks like a
nice.
bug.
Looks like a bug, dude.
Gotta get all the bug points in where you can because not much of it's left. It's a full tube chassis. The bug is the body and the doors, but
yeah,
it works. We're gonna finish the dash.
Well, it honestly, dude, this whole thing, even though like the dash isn't done, like it's still a vibe.
Yeah.
Like it feels very fitting.
Yeah.
It looks awesome. Some great PRPs right here.
Yep.
Some podiums. How much do you like these seats, Kaden?
I'm trading them out for the Sparkos.
Oh, you're gonna get Sparkos?
He wants more of a seat that'll hold him in more. The next PRP seat that is kind of like a race seat doesn't fit in the bugs because the bugs are too narrow.
Which is the Alpha.
Yeah. We barely got these to squeeze in. The guys at PRP were like, no way you get those in a bug, but we got them to squeeze in.
I love how you guys are just proving people wrong left and right. Just crushing it, dude.
Yeah.
Well, heck yeah, man. Well, thank you guys for sharing, man. Do you guys have turning brakes in this thing yet?
Not yet.
Not yet? Is that a plan?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Maybe in the future.
Yeah.
Well, you wheel the hell out of this
Yeah.
thing, dude. You may not need that, dude.
With this-
That's a cheat code. You don't need that cheat code, bro. Well, I mean, man, that might bring an end to Baja Bug episode 1. I think it's time to move on to the next one. What do you guys think?
Yep.
Anything else you guys want to share about this car? Like anything upcoming in the future? Oh, we got a body design.
Yeah.
I think it's so nice at night.
Yeah.
That's the only light he needs is this one and the 2 driving lights, and
Yeah.
he sees pretty good.
Dude, it's incredible how much this can just like
Oh,
light everything
Yeah.
up.
So insane. We ran just the 2 lights originally on Glamis, but we couldn't see anything, and we put the Baja designs on there. It is a game changer.
And you know what's crazy is like you see people with like such gnarly light setups, you know, and it's awesome, definitely. I'm talking to myself, but
The
like,
simple
bro,
stuff
like,
works too.
exactly, dude. This setup right here is everything, man. You throw this on a dirt bike, man.
Yeah.
You're seeing way down the trail, but very cool, guys. So, are there any other things that you guys? So, I know you guys were gonna possibly do a turbo in a year or so,
Yeah.
finish up a dash, maybe put in some new seats.
Yep.
Anything else you guys are thinking for this car?
The next thing is to widen the front and run it,
Run it, dude.
paint it.
Paint it.
That'll come later.
Okay.
But
Right
you
on.
got to make sure it's proven before you can paint it.
Right. I like that, dude. I like that. Well, right on, dude. Kaden, thank you, bro. Thanks for inviting us out here, man. Thank you guys so much for letting us cruise by. I guess till next time, guys, you guys are going to have to stay tuned for the next episode. We're going to check out this thing. Quickly check out these beautiful things. The family definitely loves Baja Bugs, and it's super cool to see a family like working together, spending time together, doing cool stuff. The history of this place with their family living here all these years, you know, running around the river over there, running on all these dirt roads out here. It's epic, man. Those are some awesome dreams, man. So hope you guys are enjoying this beautiful life.
Yep.
Heck yeah. All right, guys, we'll see you guys next time. If you guys have any questions for the boys, drop it in the comments, and we'll see you guys soon. Cool. Later.